First question for you, TJ. Job done, I suppose. You're in the quarter-final.
Yeah, job done, yeah. I suppose wasn't pretty, I suppose, in one sense, but a bit stop-start, so it was. And we were okay. You know, we got through the game reasonably well. At times we looked very impressive. Other times we didn't look as sharp. So that's probably down to not having the bunch of core players over the last probably 5-6 weeks. You know, so today was the first probably proper match there together. As I said, looked well at times. Other times then looked very ordinary.
Your own 2 goals, TJ. The first one you don't have to do it. You just ghosted in at the end of a movement. Ball that came off the post came to you. The second goal, well taken for you. I have to say, Gavin Costigan made a great save from your penalty, and not too many of your penalties are saved. Yeah,
unbelievable save, I must say. I struck it very well, struck it low and hard. Usually when you go low and hard, they usually go in, but yeah, fair save from him. First half, yeah, it was just instinct, ball hit the post, came straight to me, and just reflexes into the goal. But look, as I said, only for the goals today, we were probably in trouble. 1 or 2 of them, probably my goal in the first half was sloppy, bit of luck in it, off the post, came back to me. Even the penalty came back to me as well, like a guy touched it. So look, for ourselves, room to improve. If we hurl like that in 2 weeks' time, we'll be beaten. But look, today was about getting the job done. We did that, and we move on 2 weeks. No injuries today, thank God. And Colin Fennelly came on for 15 minutes as well there, looked very sharp. So look, that was the bonus. Get through the game, injury-free, and build then for 2 weeks' time.
And finally, because you aimed so high there, you conceded quite a lot of frees. I think Kilkenny scored 13 points from frees for James Stevens, and you had 12 wide yourselves. These are all issues you'll be addressing in the next fortnight.
Yeah, look, we spoke at half-time about that. They had 10 frees in the first half. Keane scored 9, something that we addressed at half-time. Even prior to the game, we spoke about not giving away frees. I think today was about over-eagerness. You know, back after a long year, first championship game, a little bit uneasy going into tackles instead of just being relaxed and being patient. So kind of, but most of the frees were frees, and honest, and then other frees were just a bit sloppy. So look, that's something that we definitely have to address the next day.
Well,